This came in the mailbox just today. It actually took 7 days for me to receive it. Looking forward to it. So what I got set up is I'm going to run it into my Bose S1 Pros. I've got the two here. I'm going to run it left and right because I believe this has two XLR outs. I got my EQ set to flat, the reverb turned off, and the tone match is set to off. All right. And with this demo, we're going to use a Donner guitar. Let's see how this goes. We're going to open up the box. Josh Scott would be happy to hear that. We've got the box. Got the box. All right. My first impression with the packing, I did not like it. All that was done was just wrapped up with very thin plastic. Oh, this unit is smaller than I thought. All right, here we have USB to C, power supply. Looks like it has the options to do the European ones. All right, so let's get the American. We'll take that. Manuel. And here we go with the pedal. Get off there. All right, well, that expression pedal is actually smaller than I figured it would be. What could we put that would... Here's a tall boy beer. Yeah? Yeah, about that. All right. So let's plug this thing up. Get right above there. Okay. My friend's going to be playing the guitar while I turn knobs, and we'll see how this goes. All right, I'll take this end, plugging it in, and probably the wrong order, but I'm going to go ahead and turn on the speakers. Put the volume, probably about 3 on each one of those. Now let's fire it up. Oh wait, power strip may not be on. There we go. Okay, well, let's maybe get that a little closer, see what that's all about. Okay. You're turned up on your guitar? Oh, I guess the expression pedal is automatically set to volume. Huh. Guess we already got some presets, not touchscreen. So let's see. Wow. We're getting some, oh wow, so these are touch. Probably should have looked at the manual. But nah, we don't do that. Let's just dive right in and start pressing buttons, right? All right, so I'm doing this by hand, so I accidentally pressed this. Something about drums? What do we got on drums? Is that? No idea. System. Oh, hey, let's test out the tuner. Let's get tuned up with it. There's probably a way to press 2 buttons at once to activate the tuner, but not sure yet. But this here is apparently touchscreen, and boy, is it sensitive. The tuner doesn't seem half bad. Huh. Let's see. If I press it again, will it go away? No. Alright, so let's try system. Whoa. We're back on. Alright, let's see. Drive. Oh, so these right here are touch. So amp, drive, effects, compression. Let's go through. Oh, there's a wah. All right, you know what? Let's do cabs. All right, well, we'll start with amp. So we're going to amp. What do we got for amps? Well, actually, I'm going to take that delay off. How do we turn the delay off? Do digital delay. Huh. How would you turn the delay off? Well, I don't know how to turn it all the way, so I'll just turn everything down for the delays. It's still giving us something though. Alright, well, I don't know how to turn off the delay. That seems a little strange. Well, anyway, let's look through amps. We've got, apparently there's plenty. FD. This is going through all the effects on A, and then we have effects B. Ooh, stereo chorus. camp. I'm assuming these FDs are fenders. Champions. Here's a Marshall. Marshall Plexi. Channel 2 of a Marshall 900. Let's see what cab we're gonna have. All right, 1960 412 cab. Now let's start drives. Let's try this. Well, let's do a rat. All right, here's lead boost. Go home and see what this does. Wow, this is... called Come Together? Sounds good for a hot solo. That's funk. I don't know about that one being funk. Punk boy. A rocker. This was called Groove Maker. That's a little strange. Ah. West Cowboy. I don't like that huzz, that hiss. All right, let's see. Holy Grail. What's the Holy Grail? is the reverbs. Delays on ping pong. Wow, there is a lot to unpack here. And now the volume pedal's not affecting it. Skid roll. What? Oh, it's a wall. Is that doing a wall? All right, well, obviously there's a lot here. Okay, well, I'm going to play with it some more. Thanks for watching.